Hi, I'm Amit from Lithe Audio. So today I'm at ISE in Amsterdam. So I'm just going to show you one of our new products. This is our Wi-Fi ceiling speaker. So this is an active ceiling speaker, and it has the amplifier, Wi-Fi, AirPlay, Spotify Connect. We have Control 4 drivers, as well as line inputs, and ceiling speaker all in one. So this is a really easy way of getting ceiling speakers in the ceiling. Just add power from the lighting circuit or a plug, and you simply just connect and stream your audio. And this is a full multi-room audio system, so you can group all your zones, all your speakers, so you can play the whole house or different rooms independently, all without the usual need of a separate amplifier, cables in the walls, just an all-in-one solution. If you want to find out more, have a look at our website, which is litheaudio.com, or drop us an email. Thanks.